Hi, kids. It's Sarah the engineer. We're aboard Finn's Flyer. It's the beautiful train at the back of the Children's Museum of South Bend. Today, we're going to learn about how a train's wheels stay on the tracks. And we're going to use toy trains to learn about magnetism.
Hey, what's the holdup? We're gonna be late for our next stop.
I gotta go. I've got a train to drive. I'll see you in a bit.
Have you ever wondered how trains stay on the tracks? They have wheels that are especially designed. They have a raised edge that sits inside the rails. Also, the outside of the wheels are smaller around than the inside of the wheels. You can see this design in action in a demonstration using plastic cups. You'll need 4 plastic cups, tape, 2 yardsticks, and a box. Take 2 cups and tape them together with their bases facing each other. Take the other 2 cups and tape them together with their tops facing each other. Set up a model railroad track with the 2 yardsticks and the box. Place the yardsticks next to each other with one end on the box and the other end on the floor so it looks like a ramp. Then tape the yardsticks down so they don't fall over. Now we're ready to test out our wheel designs. Let's try out the wheel setup that does not look like the train's wheel first. You could see the cups did not stay on the tracks. Now I'll try the setup that does look like the train's wheel. This time the cups did stay on the tracks. If you try this at home, you can experiment with how you place the cups on the track to see if that makes a difference. You could even try building a curved track. The science behind why this works is a little complicated, so if you want to learn more, check out the website below.
Hi, Pat. How do you think these trains stick together?
Magnets?
You're right. I have all these leftover jingle bells from Christmas. Do you think they will stick to these magnets?
Maybe.
Let's try. Here, you take that one and I'll take this one. There we go. Do you think if I push the 2 trains together, they'll still stick together?
Maybe.
They do. The train magnets make the jingle bells act as temporary magnets. As long as the jingle bells are touching the magnets, they will stick together. How many jingle bells do you think we can put in there and still have the train stick together?
5 to 6.
All right, let's give it a try. Here, do you want to try some? All right. Wow, they're still sticking. Try it at home to see how many jingle bells you can fit. Post the results on our Facebook page.
Next stop, Saturn.
Wait, how did you get over there so fast? Well, I've got to go again. We'll see you in February for Science Alive with the St. Joseph County Public Library. See you soon.
All the elastic